Hello, I'm Andy. I'm from Lonton Group. Our company is in Shenzhen City, and we have our own industrial park in Heyuan City. Our website is www.lonton.com. Here is our one of our product. This is a classical series. Now my colleague will introduce the product function. First, this is the pen, and we can select a different color and a different size, and also she can touch it. Yeah, we can use the finger and also use the pen. Yes, and this is one point. We will touch it. Touch it will change to multi points. Now, yes, we can it up to spots up to 20 points, and this one is eraser. Like we can clean it, slide to the end. Yes, and also this is the select icon. Select icon, we can choose the area and delete it or copy it. Yeah, and this is you can insert the picture in the whiteboard. Yes, and next one is the shape icon. Shape icon, we can add some shapes that you want on the whiteboard. It's very easy when you use it in the classroom. And this product usually used in the business meeting and the school education. If you like, you can find me. Thank you.